I'll show you how to create this cool abstract animation in Blender and how to give it this nice look with the colors. My goal is to give you the tips to make your render looks good and beautiful with a simple tips. So let's do it. I uncheck this torus, I go in solid view, add a torus. Here you see a little window. You see it like this, open it, give it the measure radius, make it like this and increase a little the minor radius. When you are happy with your torus, right click, shade smooth. Now go in modifier, add modifier, generate, select solidify. Where is it? This one. Hold shift and decrease this number, make it 0.005. Okay. Now in the form, select this place. Don't worry if you see it like this, just hit new and here in image or movie, select Marby. Don't touch anything, go back to modifier, in generate, select subdivision surface, make it in 3, right click, shade smooth, and don't forget Ctrl S to save your project. As you can see, it's saving for me. I always forget to mention this. You can now play with this value to give your object the nice look that you want. So I leave it. For example, I make it like this. If you want to animate object, so here right click, insert keyframe, select the number of frame that you want. So I make it for me in 250 and increase this number, maybe like this, it's good. Right click, insert keyframe. Now you have this animation, but now we want to give it this nice color. So I give you the tips to make it. It's very simple, nothing complicated. So hit new, go here in add or shift A. I'm not using the shortcut, so go in add, in shader, select add shader. Go back in shader and select glass shader. Now connect add shader, connect this principled BSDF like this and the glass shader. Now in input select Fresnel, connect it to the color, make it in 0 for the moment. If I hit Z and I go in a render view, you can see my scene is lighting by, if I go here, you can see my scene is lighting by this HDRI. You can download it from Polyhaven, it's free. I'll leave you the link in the description. As you can see, we have this nice effect here. So to make it better, it's up to you to use any color you want for your object. So I make it like this. And now here, give it 1.45. And the cool thing is to add a color ramp to control the effect that you want. So go in color and select color ramp, connect it like this. And now we change this color, just yellow like this. And I select this one. I make it red. And I move it. Maybe I switch to make the red. As you can see, you can play as you want with the color to give it the look that you want. Maybe it's there, it's red, yes, like this, and maybe this one. So if you want to copy the same as mine, so if I check this one, as you can see, this is how I make mine. So let's render this image to see how it look. As you can see, it's very easy and simple, and you can make a limited object like this. You can make it for your background. I use cycles. Activate GPU if you have one. Decrease this number to 32. Here, make it in 0.1. I make it just in 128. Active the noise. In the light path, I make it like this. Disable this and active this one. Active motion blur if you want. And here in color management, I always select high contrast. You can make it, change it here. And of course, you can add the exposure and the gamma, up to you to use it as you want. If you want to render the animation, select the resolution that you want, select just the focal of the camera, select the folder where you want to be your animation, and here select video or image. If you select image, you must to convert these images in any software editor, and after that go in render and render your animation. So that's it for this tutorial. If you want to learn more techniques, check the video in the end. I see you there.